great-looking kitchen dinette sets, most of the families living in the cities have to put up with space constraints. This is because the size of the apartments are very small and would not provide much scope for large furniture like a large dining table. Kitchen dinette sets are born of innovative thinking and serve as excellent alternatives for a full-fledged dining table. Kitchen dinette sets are stunningly beautiful and very compact that they would fit into any kitchen. These dinette sets come in a number of combinations like glass and wood or metal and glass. Even vinyl dinettes are available in captivating colors that would exactly match with the color concept followed in the kitchen. It is also possible to get the most suitable kitchen sets furniture for your kitchen. You would be able to get any shape of chairs and table that give a gorgeous look to your kitchen. It is prudent not to compromise upon safety over good looks. The furniture should withstand the heat from the food served on the table and should be resistant to stains.